In this video, we're going to walk through how to add a user to a company in Owlytica. Users are people who can access the customer portal to do things like view contracts, assets, and quotes. To add a user, go to the company you want to add a user to by going to Companies, and then choosing Companies from the dropdown, and then choosing the company you would like to add the user to. So in this example, we'll go to the demo company. Next, we're going to click on the Users tab. Next, you can click Add User, and you're going to want to add an email, a name. You can also add a phone number, upload a photo, and indicate a time zone as well. When you're done, you hit Save, and you can see that user added to the list.